Dr. D's back at it. Let's see what I can figure out on this green caravan. Let's get to it. See what I can't find. Further diagnosement needed. I'll be back. Got to pull the intake and the rear valve cover gasket. Look at some camshafts. And we're back. Got some valve train noise in this Dodge 3.6 rear cover. So the intake's got to come off. I'm betting that we've got some loose rockers or lifters. Let's see what happened. Alright, slowly but surely getting it done. Alright, so we've got 1, 2, 3 failed rockers. So if you come down here, you'll see this up and down. It's not good. And this lobe on the camshaft has a huge thing on it. Same with over here, these guys are good, not going up and down. Come over here, see this guy going up and down. So I'm gonna need a new camshaft and all new rockers and lifters. Gonna get some parts, tear it down further, and we'll be. Got the cam phaser and oil control valve off, engine's timed, got my cam caps labeled. Gonna get the cam caps off, camshaft out, and I'll be back. Alright guys, give you a little education here. So this is what happens when you have a failed rocker arm. See those tiny little dots in there? I don't know why it's not focusing. But anyways, the silver dots in between there. Those are bearings. This should rotate up and down, and your camshaft should only hit this round part. But when it fails, you get this crevice in here, which in turn grinds up and causes that on camshaft. If you got a lobe like this in your camshaft, it's no bueno. Now I got this thing to focus. Can show you guys the difference between a good cam lobe and a bad cam lobe. So you see how this one is skinny and it's got that crevice on each side. A little bit more to go. I got to burp the coolant system. Went ahead and replaced this thermostat while we were here. Get everything tightened up. Getting back on the road. Alright, and we're fully back together. Got the fuel pump fuse out so we can crank it over and lubricate the top engine. Just make sure it's all good to go. Oh yeah, she's running good again. Sounds good. Dr. D's to the rescue.